In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text on a Wix website. Whether you're creating a new site from scratch or updating an existing one, adding text is one of the most fundamental aspects of building a visually appealing and effective website. Text helps communicate your message, guide your visitors, and enhance the overall design of your pages. Fortunately, Wix makes this process incredibly simple and user-friendly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to add and customize text on your Wix site like a pro. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Wix website editor. Start by navigating to the Wix homepage in your web browser. Once you're there, sign in with your account details. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can manage all your sites. Locate the specific site you want to edit. You should see an Edit Site button next to it. Click on that, and the Wix editor will open, giving you access to all the tools you need to create or modify your site. Now that you're inside the editor, look at the left-hand toolbar. This is where most of your editing tools are located. Find the plus icon on this toolbar. This is your Add menu. When you hover over or click this icon, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This menu contains a variety of options, allowing you to add different elements to your site, such as images, buttons, or in this case, text. Next, click on the plus icon to fully expand the options in the Add menu. From here, you'll want to select the text option. It should be clearly labeled and easy to spot. Once you click on text, you'll be presented with several categories of text styles to choose from. These categories include themed text, titles, paragraphs, collapsible text, text marquee, and text mask. Each option serves a different purpose, so take a moment to think about what kind of text you need for your page. For example, if you want to add a bold headline, you might choose one of the title options. For longer descriptions or content, paragraphs would be a good choice. If you're looking for something more dynamic, like scrolling text, the text marquee option could be the perfect fit. Once you've decided on the style that works for your needs, click on it. Then drag the text element onto your page. You can drop it wherever you'd like it to appear. After placing your text element, it's time to make it your own. Click on the text box to open the customization options. Here, you can edit the actual content of the text by typing directly into the box. Additionally, you can adjust the font, size, color, alignment, and other formatting options. Wix provides a wide range of customization tools, so experiment with these settings until the text looks just right. Remember, the goal is to make your text readable and visually appealing while staying consistent with your site's overall design. Once you've customized your text, you can position it on your page. Simply click and drag the text box to move it to the desired location. Wix uses a grid system to help you align elements, so pay attention to those guidelines as you move the text around. This will help ensure that everything is neat and properly aligned. Finally, don't forget to save your work. At the top right corner of the editor, you'll see a Save button. Click on that to save your changes. If you'd like to publish these updates to your live site, you can also click the Publish button, which is located right next to Save. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized text on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.